Well, ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth has just arrived. The bridal couple presenting to you Jeofrey and Karen in all their spectacular glory, with the hues of the silver strings come alive. Pereira and Fernandez and Page Boy and the Flagels, John Fernandez, Viola, Clyde and Abnel, the Page Boy and the Mini Bride, Bryson Cavazzi and Myrel Pereira, Jeofrey's parents, 3, 2 and 1, put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to Jeofrey. First act of togetherness, it's now your prerogative. It's time to say cheers. Give a big hand to them, ladies and gentlemen. Little Myrel Pereira, she's going to sing the toast song, or as we call in Konkani, the Saudichem Kantar. Ladies and gentlemen, this song has been penned by Mr. Pereira, who's all here, who's leading little Myrel around. He's the father of Jeofrey, as you see. So all of you will have to go a little turn and look up at the stage, where with the silver strings, this little girl is going to sing up a song.
Jarak gently, demon.
was Baby Myrel Pereira. The song was penned by Graciano Pereira, the dad of Jeofrey. Once again, it was a wonderful Saudichem Kantar being sung by this lovely kid. I guess Jeofrey and Karen are all ready to address you.